So hey guys, welcome back to new another video, and thank you so much for support me on YouTube. In this video I am going to make a simple rain effect using Photoshop. Import an image and go to layer, create new layer with solid color, right click and convert to smart object, go to filter, noise, add noise, and here is amount 143 and tick here on monochromatic. Select a rectangle selection tool and select some area like this and press Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Press enter. Now go to blending option and select screen. Go to filter, blur and motion blur. Here you select any angle. Now go to color option and select level. Here is enable clipping mask. Go to layer, select color and color lookup. Select all color looks. So if you like this video, please keep supporting me on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching this video.